from nothing to something. In a quiet Somali town, there lived a young man named Ibrahim. Every day he saw people lined up under the hot sun waiting to transfer money or pay their bills. But everyone else just accepted it. One day he thought to himself, what if there's a better way? What if people could do this in minutes from their phones? Everyone laughed at him. That's impossible here, they said. But Ibrahim didn't give up. He started to learn coding, mobile apps, how digital payments work. And he discovered something powerful. The world is copying what already exists, 1 to n, but he could build something new from 0 to 1. He discovered a secret. Within a year, Zawallop became the #1 transfer app in the region. He smiled and thought, I didn't compete, I created. People didn't just use the app, they trusted it. Because it solved a problem no one else was solving. People don't need more banks, they need access, they need trust. For months, Ibrahim built a small team. No big office, no flashy investors, just a dream and hard work. They built an app called Zawallop, meaning transfer in Arabic. A simple idea that lets anyone in Somalia send and receive money instantly from their phone. No long lines, no waiting. At first, no one used it, but then one person did. Then 10. Then 1,000. One evening, Ibrahim stood on a hill watching families laugh and send money with a click.